my dear students. Warm welcome to science class. Failure does not mean that game is over. It means try again with experience. Failure does not mean that game is over. It means try again with experience. By saying this, I will start today's session. Solutions. So today we are going to discuss about 9th standard science. Chapter 2 is matter around us appear. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed about mixtures and types of mixtures. So there are two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, today in this session we are going to discuss about solution and their examples and properties of solutions and concentrations of solutions. Okay, in that first one is solution. The solution, a true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The solution is nothing but what? It is a homogeneous mixture. So first point is solution is nothing but it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances. And this solution has two components. One is solute, another one is solvent. So solution has two components. One is solvent, another one is solute. Okay, so a solution has solvent and solute as its component. Solvent and as solute as components. Okay, so in this component in the larger amount, so the component in solution, component in larger amount, that is nothing but solvent. In solution, component in lesser amount, that is called solute. Okay, so component in larger amount is nothing but what? It is a solvent. Component in lesser amount is what? It is a solute. Okay, and the component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it is called solvent. So the component solution has two components. One is solvent and another one is solute. Okay, so the component of the solution dissolves other component in it. So what is that? That is solvent. Okay, and next one is the component of the solution that dissolved in the solvent. So another one is the component of the solution. The component of the solution dissolved in the solvent is nothing but solute. So first paragraph, just understand clearly, children. So solution is nothing but it is a homogeneous mixture, and the solution has two components. One is solvent, another one is solute. So what do you mean by solvent? So component which has in larger amount, that is solvent, and also the component which dissolves other components in it. So that is nothing but solvent. And solute, so first point is the component which is in the lesser amount is nothing but solute, and the component which is dissolved in the solvent is also nothing but solute. And few examples: solution of salt in water, solution of salt in water, and solution of sugar in water, and iodine in alcohol. So solution of salt in water is nothing but is example of homogeneous mixture, because the uniform composition will be there in that salt in water and solution of sugar in water and iodine in alcohol. You can identify here which one is solvent, which one is solute. You can observe here, children, salt in water. So which one in larger amount? So water is in larger amount and salt in lesser amount. So water is a solvent and salt is a solute. Okay. And the next example you can see solution of sugar in water. Solution of sugar in water. In that also water is in larger amount. So water is a solvent and sugar is in lesser amount. So sugar is a solute. Okay. And iodine in alcohol. In iodine in alcohol, usually we can call it as tincture. Okay. So in iodine in alcohol, iodine is a solute and alcohol is a solvent. Okay. And next one is properties of true solutions. Next one is what? Properties of true solution. So first property of solution is what? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. So first property what is? It is a homogeneous mixture. And next one is the particles cannot be seen by the naked eye. So particles of solution we cannot able to see by naked eye, because once the salt or sugar, if it is dissolved in water, once it is mixed, so completely it will mix, we cannot able to see that particles mixed in that particular solutions. So second one is what? We cannot able to, particles of the solutions we cannot able to see by naked eye. Okay, and the solute particles cannot be separated by filtration, and also we cannot able to solute particles. So solution has two components, solvent and solute. Okay, so this solute particles we cannot able to filtrate, we cannot able to separate by filtration. Why? Because already it is mixed uniformly, so we cannot able to separate by filtration. And the solute particles do not settle down and the solution is stable. So what happens? The solid particles will completely mix. So the solution is stable. The particles will not settle down at the bottom. Okay. And the particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it, and the path of light is not visible in the solutions. So whenever the light will pass through that particular solutions, so what happens? The solution will not scatter the light. So it is not scatter means we cannot able to see the path of light through that particular solution. Okay, so 5 properties. First one is it is homogeneous mixture, and next one is what? We cannot able to particles of the solutions we cannot able to see our naked eye, and third one is solute particles we cannot able to separate by filtration, and next one is the solute particles will not stay at the bottom of the solution, and the solution is very stable, and this particular solution will not scatter the light. Okay, and next one is concentration of solution. Next one is what? Concentration of solution. So next topic is concentration of solution. So concentration of solution means what? Concentration of solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount, the solvent or solution. So concentration of solution is nothing but the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. So the amount of solute present in a solvent or solutions. Okay, so how we can able to calculate this concentration of solutions? We have formula. So concentration of solutions. So concentration of solutions is nothing but amount of solute divided by amount of solvent, or amount of solute divided by amount of solutions. Okay, formula is very important. Listen carefully, children. Concentration of solution. How we can able to calculate the concentration of solution? So amount of solute divided by amount of solvent, and amount of solute, or amount of solute divided by amount of solutions. And the concentration of solution can be expressed as mass by mass percentage. So mass by mass percentage also we can express, or else mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass percentage, or else mass by volume percentage. So you see your formula. Mass by mass percentage of a solution is nothing but mass by solute divided by mass by solution into 100. So mass by mass percentage. And mass by volume percentage of a solution, mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Okay, so we'll see one example how we can able to identify. Okay, so example, a solution contains 40 gram. Solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. So listen here, solution contains 40 gram of common salt and 320 gram of water. Okay, calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. We want to calculate mass by mass percentage of solutions. Okay, so what is first you must have to write what is given. Okay, so solution, mass of a solute. So already we have mass of a solute given. So mass of a solute is nothing but how much? 40 gram. So you just write mass of a solute as 40 gram. And mass of solvent, water. Water is a solvent, right? So mass of a solvent is how much? 320 gram. So this is we know. So mass of solution, we want here what we want to calculate here, percentage of solution. So we want to calculate mass of a solution. So mass of a solution is nothing but how we can able to calculate mass of a solution? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So both we have. So mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So mass of solute is how much? 40. And 40 plus mass of solvent is how much? 320. So 40 plus 320 is equals to how much? 40 plus 320 is nothing but 360. Okay, so 360. So now we have mass of solution. So we can substitute in the formula mass percentage of solution. So mass percentage of solution we want to find out, right? So formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So mass by mass percentage of solution formula is what? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. You just write the formula. And mass of solute is how much? 40. We have already mass of solute is how much? 40. And mass of solution, just now we've got 360 gram. So 40 divided by 360 into 100. If you simplify, you will get answer 11.1%. This is how we can calculate the mass by mass percentage of a solution, or mass by volume of percentage of a solution. Children, today we have discussed about solutions and their example and properties of solutions and concentration of solution. In the next session, we are going to discuss about suspension. Until that, bye bye children.